Hello and welcome to my practice. So today I'm going to continue on and end with the back abdominal exercises. So before I begin, I'm going to remind you to feather all of this. So pelvic floor and all the muscles in the front and the back. Shoulders down the back. Encourage our chin towards our chest slightly. And breathing. Send your breath right down to your pelvis. It helps if you want to sing well. So, breathing with the movement. So as you go down or go in one direction, inhale. As you draw it back up, exhale. So, bent knee fallouts. We have a hand underneath at the small of our back. So we have a neutral spine. When we get to crisscross, we need to be imprinting. Yes, so hopefully I'll remember to draw your belly into the ground for maximal abdominal contraction. So bent knee fallouts and then toe taps. Now, as I've stated before, ideally you would, this is the full movement, but if you need to make modifications and you need props, by all means have your props because it still counts. So heel slides, pushing down your heel into the mat, heel slides or leg slides, doesn't really matter what you call them. It's more important that you practice them well. Okay, so we have, what have we got next? Lift and extend. Oh no. Lift, extend. As I've stated, if you can't extend your leg all the way down, whatever you can achieve is better than nothing. Single leg circle. I go the harder way first, going up against gravity, and then I go the easy way with gravity. Choose your flavour. So first one, then the other. Yeah, I think I'm a little too close to the wall today. That's okay. I'll be more mindful tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, okay, single leg, and now we go into our crunches. So we're encouraging our armpits to the ceiling. Our knees are pointing straight up, hip width apart. Should have said that to begin with. Obliques. One armpit to the opposite knee. And then from here, tip it up. Crunches. 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 Obliques. 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 Two taps. Woo. Yeah. Yes. Two taps. It's more difficult if you touch down lightly or don't even touch at all. Oh. Oh yeah. Whew. Okay, now bicycle legs. Flex and point, draw it back up. 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 And the crunch. Flex and point, draw it back up. 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 Crisscross. We are imprinting, if you're not imprinted already. Okay. Coordination required. Brain is working hard. So is the body. So, crisscross. From here we will go into pendulum. Stop And remember, tabletop, it's a 90-degree angle, knee stacked on hips, ankle in line with knee. Easy version, knees are compressed together, and it's a small movement to whichever side you like. Woo. Okay. So I can go further with my knees pressed together. To make it harder, bring my knees apart. And the movement's only small now. Ooh. And I'm definitely imprinting because this is not easy. Okay. Second version, knees together, leg extended. Whew. Knees together, leg extended, leg extended, leg extended. Knees apart, ooh. Extension, ooh. Extension. Ooh, okay. Okay, the next one is new. It's called the Nutcracker. So tabletop. This is a crunch-like exercise, and we draw our knees apart. Now, some people go twice. Choose your flavor. Hands are pointing straight up to the ceiling. And the more difficult version is legs extended. Or, hang on, gotta get my coordination correct. And the final one is hundreds. So, different variations. Easy, more difficult again. Joseph Pilates original. More difficult. Mine just walked in. So? No, I'm not. Whew. Okay, so hundreds. Okay. Now hundreds, lots of different variations. So, easiest, a little bit more difficult, harder, the original exercise, hardest. Choose your flavor. So what we're going to do is just count to 100 as slowly or as quickly as you like. Now obviously the slower you go, the more difficult it is. But choose your flavor. So remember, here, now if you have problems getting up, you can actually do this. This is easy though. Well, sorry. This for me it's easy, but if you can only do this, do that. That's fine, it's better than nothing. But ideally, you come up in your crunch-like manner, there, or there. Now your feet can either be pointed, or I do a combination of small froggy, heels together, toes out. So, I better count up to 100. Okay, so choose your flavor. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is actually Joseph Pilates' first exercise. And
I didn't get that.
he wouldn't
Could you
allow
try again?
people to go on to the next exercise until they had mastered the first exercise and the one before that. So those are all the abdominal exercises that I'm going to be performing on my back. Tomorrow come in
I didn't get that.
and I'll
Could you
do
try again?
I'll do the whole lot.